Hello, Tiffany here with Cards Crafty Creations. So today's project is going to be doing some more shaker home decor. As you've seen in another video I had, my workstation looks a little bit different here because I am at my friend Tracy's house. Every year, a few of us crafty friends all fly to her house in Idaho to spend a whole week together just crafting and creating and hanging out together. And so this is a project I made while I was over there. I did bring a lot of the Tracy makes cards, Kim does cards, scrapbook pages, and albums. Gail, she does cards, scrapbook, albums, not much pages, but cards and albums. And then her sister does cards, and so we kind of all do our own thing. We're still creating together, but I also do mixed media. So yes, I did pack this wood in. It's actually, I think, chalkboard, meant to be a chalkboard. It's from Hobby Lobby. My mom gets them for me when they're on sale, and if I can't get them in my own store. Yeah, so I took this with me, and when I went through some of her stuff, I saw she had these extra, well, actually she was showing us these shakers. These are Queen & Company's Costume Cuties shakers. So that's like a whole collection, and she made, like she said, over. And by the way, what I'm doing right now to get this fencing out of here is, the struggle is real. I don't know why it just did not die cut well on that one sheet, and same with the other one, but I was able to get it out. But anyway, so she, I think, made well over 100 Halloween cards with shakers, and these were some leftover ones. So when I saw that, I thought that it would be really cute to just do a little home decor sign with them. They were already made. I didn't have to make them. I just had to do the background. And so I just went through, it's the same paper collection that belongs, I believe, to that shaker set to do the grass. And then I just did a white fencing in the background. And then so I just picked out a few of them that I thought were cute because they look like they're in Halloween costumes, of course. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and arrange those on this little wall sign, and kind of make just something really cute with them. She makes a lot of shaker cards. She gets a lot of Queen & Company shaker sets, and I don't really make shaker cards. I think they're really cute, but look how many pieces are on these things. Like, I know it's probably hard to believe, but I'm actually a very impatient person, and so I don't really enjoy making the shakers. So I'm very grateful when she makes the shakers, and then I just get to play with them. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I did add a piece of extra foam behind the pumpkin because it is on top of the other shakers, and these are fairly thick. I mean, if you know, have made shakers before, you have to put foam between them so you can get the distance between the paper and the acetate to actually have the elements in there and shake. So I had to put a little bit of foam behind the pumpkin so that it kind of stood up. And then I just die cut this boo sign. It's not a sign, it's a word. This boo word out of some glitter cardstock. And then I got some enamel dots, but they're enamel stars. And so I'll be putting those on here in just a second. But that's pretty much going to wrap up this project. It's a very simple project, but I think it came out really cute, and I think anybody would enjoy hanging this up in their house. So anyway, oh, and yes, I'm using the white pen to put some highlights on some of these areas, like their shoes and her hair, just to give it a little bit more interest and detail. Yeah. I do like to do that with some, usually they're micron pins, but this is a white pin because I'm on black cardstock. But anyway, that, besides after this, then I'll put the stars on, and then that will pretty much wrap up this project. It didn't really take that long. It probably took me longer to plan it than actually make it, because once I planned it, I could visualize it, and it was just about putting it together. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this project. If you did, please like and subscribe, and also consider joining my membership. This is very new to me, but you can join with the button below if you would like. So anyway, I'll hope to see you on the next one. Bye.